it's Minnie. Today I have something really magical to show you guys. It's holographic chameleon powders from BeautyBigBang. This is my first product review video and I hope you enjoy. I'm going to start with a base coat and then apply 2 coats of black gel polish. You can use a regular nail polish instead, but I recommend you to use black for the best result. I'm going to apply a non-wipe gel top coat, then cure for 30 seconds. First, I'm going to show you this holographic powder. The powder comes with this eyeshadow sponge, and you need to apply only a small amount. The intensity of this rainbow is amazing. I'm going to apply a gel top coat to seal the rainbow. Ta-da! The next 4 powders are a combination of holographic and color-shifting chameleon. Pick up a small amount, then spread it over the nail. You can see the color is shifting from pink to green, and the awesome holo will show up under direct light. Moving on to the next powder, which shifts from purple to aqua. Pick up a small amount, then apply it onto the nail. I'm very impressed with this great coverage. The next powder is this one. The color shifts from pale gold to warm gold. I think I've picked up way too much powder, so it's going all over my skin. You really need a small amount only. This is the last powder and it shifts from aqua green to grass green. I love how the powder is already so vivid, and of course it spreads like a champion. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. All these powders that I showed you and many other colors are available at BeautyBigBang's online store, and you can use a coupon code BEES10 to get a 10% discount. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching, and special thanks to BeautyBigBang for sponsoring this video. I will see you guys in the next video.